Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you retail shop, installment and do sale support, powerful shop management system. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard, is current cash, total deposit, total withdraw, total expense. You can see scroll down, total category, total product, then stock product, product price, total sale price, total due, total instrument, total company, then company sent, total pay, total due, another option, instrument payment, upcoming repayment, you can see, then due repayment history, and due payment, upcoming repayment, due payment, then repayment history, sales product, new sale history, then manage customer, new customer history, manage account, new account, account history, company payment, new payment history, manage store, new store history, manage product history, then product category, manage company, manage estimate, manage staff, transaction log, basic setup, and customize email template, then manage logo, set logo, manage footer, edit your profile, change your password. If you need it, check the link in the description. For the installing help, contact